Oh, that's in there. House 11.
It's 7:27. He told us to show up at 7:00 p.m. We there, knocked at this bitch door. Ain't nobody answered. I will see you when you get back. Okay? I got some shit to do until you ready.
I'm not gonna.
We got 4, we got 5, we got 6, 7 boys in a row. We gon' puff till we girl, it's jerk. We got Kaylin, we got Prince Gold and Kennedy. Hey, and the friends of the show, you know how we go. We gon' run it. Something
You wrote that? Hey.
I just made it up.
But
I got it
that's
right
the song.
I'm
So we
with
gonna
it.
fix it up.
Y'all, this bitch got me fucked up.
What's wrong?
We waited at who waits?
Not me.
First of all,
She just called back.
who puts up on somebody else's time? I don't like waiting on people. It's not a thing I do. So if I'm ready to do something, I'm gonna do it.
She just called back and said they're leaving the grocery store now. I mean, was it, you don't think it was great to tell your company?
Right, like, hey, even though I said come at 7, we're not there.
You said something be like at 7. You should have
Bitch,
already
better
had
not do
that
that
shit
at her
in the
house.
house before 7:00. You should have went to the grocery store at 4. 3.
She said,
Two.
Cajun got off a little late.
You think you're knocking on the motherfucking door? And them bitch don't answer? Round up, crew. Time to go.
Cause don't you sleep with your ass out?
No. No, I don't.
Bitch, your mama say tuck in or the motherfucking monster come get you when you left your ass out cause you wanted him to eat your ass? You a
Like,
whore.
hold little boy.
Cause you know my dick be sticking out like, suck it, I'm asleep. Suck it. Let's go. Come on, bitch.
My titty heading to the left so that you grab my bell.
Not your titty to the left.
Or this way like the X.
Just butt ass naked.
Hold on, wait.
With the covers off.
I really sleep like this. I sleep naked now. So shit, monsters wanna attack, I'm about to fuck up this shit. The fuck? Come get me.
Yeah, look your phone. Call what's the name? Kennedy.
Phone.
Siri.
Oh. How did you leave it in the car?
It better not be in that motherfucking car. I had that phone in my hand when I got here.
You left it in the car.
It'd be there.
Oh, wow.
Nuh-uh.
You left it.
Stop saying that. There's no, I did not
you
either.
left it.
Stop saying that. No, I did not. Ooh, I leave a lot of stuff. And it's not intentional. It's just, I forget. Like, I don't know.
You expected something?
Who's it to know? LeRoyce got into the
What the fuck? Your head is big and it's big. Well, what is What a pleasant surprise to have you here.
It's you.
Did you?
Yeah.
You did.
Hola, señor.
Hello, gerbil. Is it okay if I sit on your bed?
You're not that evil.
Kennedy says you could gobble downstairs to go go get your phone.
What? What?
She said she could have gobbled downstairs to get her phone. To call her. Is she hissing because your birthday is coming her up?
Who birthday is coming up?
I don't know. I'm high. I
China.
don't know what the fuck is going on.
So you said I could have gobbled downstairs to go get my own phone? No, what you talking about? First of all, that's too much. Because I shouldn't have left it in the first place. That's what I be talking about.
Gerbil, take a picture of me.
Don't play games with me.
What's up, kid?
Gerbil.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see him up from another perspective instead of like a selfie.
What you say, little girl?
Where did you see that at?
Hi, Kennedy.
I didn't see it nowhere. I was told this information.
Oh, that's pretty. Hold on. No,
You told me. That bitch do play games. She play games. I don't play games. And yes, she be fucking with me and I don't like it. Like, it gets under my skin. Then she wanna say I got anger issues. Fuck you. Because when I
No, let me
asked
take
you, you
your picture.
laughed.
She ain't doing right.
what this look like?
A mess. Let me take
Okay.
Don't go there with that technical shit. Don't go there. This is not what I know. Attorney.
Huh?
Look like her mommy.
Oh, that is cute from your end.
You always thinking about something extra.
She just can't take pictures of shit.
Okay, I don't take one more.
Next time you say something about me gobbling, I'm a gobble you, bitch. Waddle gobble, whatever you said.
Kennedy, bitch, did you not just hear me say hi?
You gotta send me that one.
Bitch, don't
Yeah,
ever
speak
motherfucking
up.
play with me, ho.
Just go with your first thought, girl. You won't speak up.
No,
I
bitch.
believe you because I ain't got no service
No,
over here.
no.
Yes, yes.
She heard you loud and clear the whole conversation.
What color you
got
got on?
the show
Red?
finna ask her. Kennedy, what color shirt you got on? This is not
What do you have on?
It's not that. I'm just trying to figure something out. What color shirt do you have on? I have on a gray shirt. Gray. Okay. I just wanted to not be alone.
Plus the red.
It's not. It's close to gray. You got on gray? I'm not about to play games with you. I just might FaceTime you. Purple. Because they decided to wear red and not tell nobody. so.
Bitch, it's Red Friday.
I mean, I just be going to work. And I wear what I wear to work. Then when I get home, I change. So it don't really hit my mind like, damn, it's Red Friday. But okay. I could have got the memo, though.
And I said, the door just moved on its own.
No, it had to. It had
Draft.
to finish open.
Oh.
See, he was playing with it. That's what we gonna say.
Okay. Or not.
Ghost.
Ain't no fucking ghost in here. Stop bringing spirits around people.
She said that's what we gonna say.
Fucking,
That's the witch.
That's the witch over here. She's really a witch. She likes the voodoo and all that.
Do sage and voodoo dolls. And
You do Sag?
I said it first. And you still said it wrong.
Sag.
Right after I said sage.
She's fucking a Sagittarius, but she don't do Sag.
She just sage. She better
Who
know.
is the Sagittarius? Gerbil?
Yeah.
Me? You get, bitch, let me find out you're gonna end up pregnant. Me?
Oh.
That ain't convincing me. It's all for the voice.
Okay, I thought that was the water.
Don't forget to do that.
Nope, I'm next. My baby's coming in 2 weeks.
Well, after you, if you Gerbil. Yeah, I'm still here.
Stop fucking thinking
I was just responding. I don't really sit on your number. No, you can't sit on my bed. No.
that shit. No, because I really hate when y'all Kennedy you too, bitch, because why the fuck y'all bitch LeRoyce don't have a baby on the way.
Yes, I do.
Huh?
What you talking about, Chantal? They all congratulated me. Thank you so much. See, you still have
No.
Who's still up?
It's fucked up.
This shit feel safe. It is registered in my head.
She said
No,
you
I
got her
can't.
fucked
Did you
up.
ever congratulate me? No.
Cause you got me fucked up.
Okay, what you think you got me? Fucked up. Right along with your little minion.
Why do I have to be a minion?
Because you, bitch, somebody tell you to get on Facebook and congratulate this clown.
I'm sorry. That's what you do.
You don't want to say shit when she mad at
Say no
you.
name.
Who? What names are you?
Don't fucking play dumb, because
And
I
who
would
know
chop
better?
your fucking neck.
What names are you giving?
That's us about 4, y'all.
4.
And then all of a sudden LeRoyce popped up with a baby that y'all been knowing about. You too, bitch. You,
Yeah.
Kennedy.
Well, you had me. No, I'm not gonna keep talking to you about
Kennedy,
it, 'cause I
bitch,
don't
quit
want
acting
to
like you
get
don't
started
hear
on.
me.
She laughed.
No, it sounds like the baby.
Caleb,
Huh?
That's the baby.
I'm gonna talk to you later.
Okay.
After dinner.
Alright.
Oh. What's the plans for tomorrow?
Asked me that several times.
Because I have to figure it out so I can know what I'm doing before I
I'm supposed
start
to on
doing
camera,
it.
but
Your friend is coming. I don't think
that's your bestie. What if she was your friend before you put her on hers?
even though I brought Ariana back around, but y'all spend more time with her than y'all spend with me. I've been around y'all. So why the fuck?
Hello. At home still. Wrapping up.
Yeah, wrap it up because this food get cold and I put it up. That's so y'all.
And what you make again?
I made tuna casserole with some garlic bread.
Oh.
Y'all don't want that? Actually, that was okay. You said, yeah, now you don't want it.
I'm sorry.
No, just how you said it.
Trouble made me laugh. I'm sorry. Yeah, I want some.
I was like, she ain't gotta eat my food. I don't care.
I'm with you.
So now I'm about to beat your ass because
Don't break the chair! Don't break the chair!
Backwoods Smokes just hit town, looking wild but tasting mild.
New backwoods smokes. How can anything that looks so wild taste so mild? New backwoods smokes. How can anything that looks so wild taste so mild?
New Backwoods Smokes, all natural tobacco, hand-rolled look in a keep 'em fresh pocket pouch.
How can anything that looks so wild taste so mild?
Wednesdays. Smoke the wood, watch the wood.
I'm trying to be strong, y'all.
Only on Fat Bitch Network.
You ready to go out?
Hell yeah.
Okay, you ready to go to Applebee's first and get some drinks?
I'm lit. I'm very entertaining. Got a brilliant personality. Dope as fuck. Anybody fucking with me, Silhouette the boss. So, girl, they be telling me that you be feeling left out, so I'm about to put you in, okay? So, October 23rd through the 25th or 26th, we're gonna go to Atlanta. And my son wants to go to the little spooktacular Six Flags. So, yeah, LJ and them gonna take him because I'm scared. But, I mean, you know, you're more than welcome to come with us. We're gonna get a rental, slide down there, have us a little fun little weekend. And then, you know, maybe you won't feel so left out.
Well, I appreciate the invitation, and I had to see about going to that. But at least I was invited.
Yes.
Bitch, you're always invited.
But,
The fuck? We absolutely did nothing.
What the fuck we didn't invite you to? Let me know.
Y'all didn't invite me to when y'all went to go get the facial.
Facials. Facials. Bitch. She need a facial.
And everybody went to
I
that,
wasn't
but
invited
me.
either.
Right,
though.
but no.
So don't feel bad. I
don't
wasn't
be that
invited when
though.
these bitches went to motherfucking Atlanta. I wasn't invited, so don't feel bad.
Wait, but it don't even be
But I
just
don't
that
feel
though.
bad because I don't invite.
Because
I don't get invited out to eat with these hoes
I call
or
them,
niggas.
all that.
I didn't get invited to Atlanta when they went. So what are you mad for? I know I got 10 kids, but all they gotta do is tell me and I get a babysitter. Like
They don't come till 3 hours later.
Warn a bitch or nothing.
No, we don't.
Yeah, it was 3 hours. You called me at 7 and y'all didn't show up until 11.
Bitch, we got there at 7. You said call
Oh
at
my
7.
God.
No, y'all didn't even call me and say I'm on our way, nothing. I had to go get the ingredients to make the food.
You
I come
said
home, make the
come
food, and
at
nobody even come
7.
over and want any food.
Girl, that's why you need my number because my fat ass don't slide.
I'm gonna call
Fuck
your
is you
sister.
talking
And me and
about?
Shenique's gonna be hanging out while y'all doing what y'all doing at Chantal house getting paid.
I stay inviting these hoes to come eat some shit. Do they come? Unless it's fries, LJ's not pulling up.
Listen, we did not go over there to get
You
facials
just love
without
Caitlin
you.
and Jarbell.
That was not an invitation or an invitation. I don't know. It was just she planned.
Without
No, you heard her at your house that she wanted us to get us facials. She wanted to try something new. And she did.
Cause you cute so what?
The fuck?
Okay, so last night we go over there, right? It's all of us and Chantal. And then she texted him last night after we left talking about basically that she not part of it, she don't feel comfortable around us, a whole bunch of bullshit. So I sent all y'all at the same time of
That
what we
message?
was doing today, yeah.
Cause that was gonna be my next question. Did she know what the memo was for today?
Nobody knew except for when I sent it to y'all. Like
This
literally,
morning, right?
Yes, y'all all got the same.
She got that text this morning, right?
At the same time.
So why would she bring her ass here knowing what the text was for today?
Listen.
That's what the fuck I'm trying to figure out.
So I'm texting her, and no, so at the end of it, it say any questions or concerns, call Kaylin. So she texts LeRoyce like,
But LeRoyce not Kaylin.
Right.
Okay, go ahead.
Basically saying that she don't want to be part of the plans, and we can have fun without her, and she don't want to intrude, shit like that.
Understand.
So I text her, and I'm like, so you coming or not? And she like, no, I'm not. And I basically told her like, Ariana, you included. Like, we came to your house once, you wasn't there. We started doing our own shit.
Right.
So we came back because we didn't want to stand you up. So as friends, that's what we did. And she like, what the fuck she said? Like, I was sitting paragraphs how she said paragraphs. So basically, we was just saying shit back and forth. And she was like, it's a difference between me and Chantal. Like how she always say, talk about we treat them different.
It goes to
she
Chantal
don't
and
know,
Ariana shit.
right, she don't know where she stand. I'm like, you are a
Bitch.
friend, she are a friend. I said, we didn't fuck with you, you would know that. Like,
But y'all supposed to be besties.
that's
what I'm confused.
You broke
Then she
it.
just
You sat on it.
no.
I heard you sat on it.
No, I did that.
You broke that?
Yeah, it was an accident.
That's
I
the
did.
second one broke. I'm saying.
So does she not want to be besties with?
I don't know, but I
Chantal
told
or
her,
what?
and I was like, I wasn't gonna say nothing, but every time Chantal come around, you drift away, like.
Because
you
she
make
was
it
quiet
awkward.
as fuck on the fucking
Yeah,
couch. I'm
she-
like, okay, bitch, you got us over here. You're not gonna
Right,
say
she
nothing.
basically
Like,
was like, didn't nobody say anything to me? I was just amongst yourself, and she was like, even Kadrian had was like, why they wasn't talking to you and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Bitch, I came to
at
your
her house?
Yes, bitch, we came to visit y'all. Why y'all not interacting with y'all company?
y'all look like y'all ready for bed. Like,
When we got in there, she said, y'all fake. How are we fake? We had nothing to do today. Chantal came over. That was that. We came over here. Like.
Why everybody be feeling some type of way besides me? Y'all get what I'm trying to
You
say?
don't give a fuck.
I really don't, but like, damn.
As at the end of the day, Kennedy, you fell out with her because you
I'm just
wasn't
saying-
fucking with her. So
I'm just saying, like, bro, it ain't that deep.
it's
but
not.
I don't know.
Like, so I'm still trying to make her feel better. I'm like, well, everything everything's not always fun if everybody's not there, like that type shit. Then at the end of the messages, I said, I'll see you later. We'll come get you. Like, you got 3 friends with cars. You always making an excuse. Like, if Kadrian busy, you got 3 friends with cars. Call somebody.
At this point, just let me know if you only want to be this one's friend. Please let me know, because that's
Girl,
obviously what the fuck going
we
on.
all know that.
In the goddamn Applebee's, she all shoulder to shoulder to this nigga. Like, bitch, there is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chairs.
Then the rest kept
And social distancing.
You know, he uncomfortable, but he just turned on his phone like, okay, ready to go, don't grab a drink, her shoulder touch my shoulder. What the fuck? Round up, let's go. So
Irritating because, bitch.
Why you? First of all, why you sitting so close? It's Corona going around.
Bitch, you
That's
we're
what-
going to a fucking
right,
festival.
and then she was like, it was a last minute text message, and y'all was all sitting in my house last night. We could have discussed it then, but y'all act like y'all didn't want to say it to nothing to nobody.
But if she was paying attention, Chantal kept saying, text me what we're all doing.
Right,
And
So what we do need to do, y'all, is get drunk and go ride the motherfucking scooters.
Dump the scooter of
That's
coke.
on my bucket list. Yeah, you just work a little car and just.
How much? Like
I don't know.
50 cents.
Hold on,
You
girl.
better
I
hold
spent
on.
25.
You talk about the
Wednesdays. Smoke the wood, watch the wood.
I'm trying to be strong for y'all.
Only on Fat Bitch Network.
We have again arrived to Ariana's house for the second time, waiting on this bitch.
Not here.
We've been sitting here for like what, 10, 20, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70?
And this time I got to pull up. Like,
It's about the whole blood.
Like, I can drive, but just everybody say I can't drive. So lawfully, no, I can't. But to me, hell yeah, I'm a whipper. Go.
On this season of The Wood.
There's someone in here.
Jerk them both. Wait.
Cut the camera.
I can't even answer. Girl, I said,
Every time he inches his body over,
So she wants to go home with LeRoyce?
So, you got Alicia.
Because I'll punch every motherfucking body. Like everybody.
What does she got on? That's not pajamas.
Hey, don't start with me.
Don't start with me.
You keep starting. I told you to
Don't
shut the fuck up
And
when I'm
I
trying
wanted
to
to
back the
talk.
fuck up.
But at the end of the day, you're not listening to the point.
I should have threw a motherfucking pumpkin at your motherfucking head. But it's all good.
Now this is how you handle this situation.
I think that was the main concern that
Now you my concern.
is
Uh-huh.
what it is.
I don't know shit. I don't got shit to do with shit. I'm just always there.
Watch only on Fat Bitch Network, January